When you're talking about holding a blade, your grip is important. Your grip will determine the type of things that you can do with your blade. It will also determine the security of it in your hand. So what I mean by that is how easily will this come out of your hand and how much blade control will you have with it in that grip. So first grip, standard hammer grip or forward grip. Your thumb is tucked to the side. Blade edge is forward. Next one is going to be the saber grip with your thumb on the spine of the blade. The advantages to this one is your thumb makes the point of the blade much more dynamic and accurate upon its movement. One of the disadvantages is because you are opening your fist by putting the thumb on the top of the blade, your grip strength weakens slightly. Next, you have your foil grip. So that would be your thumb on the flat of the blade like so. The advantages to this is if you've done some straight razor training in the past, you have really fast, quick action by movement with the turn of the elbow. The disadvantage to this is I have this awkward grip where now I don't have a downward cutting. If I need to cut downward, I can go very great horizontally and I can go very great up, but your downward cuts are going to be very awkward from that position. Next grip is going to be your reverse grip, edge out. Okay, so we're going to go 2 grips on reverse grip. Edge out, cap the blade. That way I can stab out this way, I can slash upward, I can slash downward, I can block with this. Edges towards your opponent. When I would do any gripping, the spine of the blade will trap, but it won't do any damage because there's no edge. The other way reverse grip is edge in. This has become super popular, certain blade styles. Now when I do my trapping, now I get a cut on the way back as well. And when I pull, I get my cutting action. Downside to this is I can't get any cutting upward and outward because the edge orientation is not faced that direction. Those are your major grips. There may be some modifications of grips elsewhere, but those are your major ones that you're going to have. You're going to use them based off the technique that you do and the style of blade that you have. Pick your favorite. That's generally the one you're going to go to. We're not going to be switching our grips back and forth, generally speaking.